Okay, let's see, did we get everything right here? Hey guys, what's going on? My name is FimeMD and I'm a UX designer in Toronto, and today is April 27th, therefore it is my birthday. Yes, I'm currently 31 years old. Okay, so today, as promised, first off, I am extremely sorry for not launching my giveaway according to the right time or right date. Yes, so I'm sorry for that.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Because I have been extremely busy with 3 projects plus work and all that stuff. I am launching it today. So once again, like I said, I'm very sorry, and thank you so much for subscribing to my videos. Thank you so much for coming back. You guys mean the world to me. Honestly, man, you guys really do. So yes, the giveaway is today. I am gonna go watch Avengers with my business partner Patrick. You guys will see him. I will be vlogging on my phone because obviously you can't take a camera to watch Avengers. They might just take the camera away. So having said that, I will continue my vlog. And those of you who are only here for the giveaway, the link for that is in description below. In return, all I want is for you guys to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, and that is it. That's all I want. If you do not want to follow me in social media channel, totally fine. All I want in return is for you guys, or especially for you, to follow me on my YouTube channel. So just please subscribe and click on the bell icon, and that's it. So for those of you who do not know what this giveaway is, it's a free UI design that I've designed on Adobe XD. It's in the social media industry, I would say, very similar to Instagram, Facebook. More detail of that design, I have done a video on it, so the link will be on my description below or on that circle thingy that will appear here or over there. So please check that out. So yeah, enjoy the rest of this vlog. As you can see, I'm still watching Friends here, man. My house is a mess. Did you know that you can rent movies from the library, which is pretty cool? I watched this and Tomb Raider, which is pretty awesome, and I'm going to watch this one maybe tonight or tomorrow. I got a bunch of Game of Thrones, guys, all of the season from the library. I just started watching Game of Thrones. I know I'm the last person probably on earth to watch Game of Thrones, so I'm on season 2, episode 8. Yeah, my honest opinion, it's boring for me, man. Like, can't remember the number of time I've fallen asleep watching Game of Thrones. I don't know how you guys watch it. I don't know how my friends watch it, how they're addicted to it, and how they're sad. Or actually, literally everybody's sad the fact that Game of Thrones is ending. So Game of Thrones right now, I'll probably give it a 5 out of 10.
One word and I hit you again.
But I hope on season 4, I guess, I might enjoy it a lot more. So most importantly, guys, I'm extremely excited for the end game. It's currently 2:30 right now, and the show is at 7. But I'm gonna meet my business partner Patrick at 5 p.m. We're gonna go to Jack Astor's, eat, and all that good stuff, and then go check out the movie. Aside from that, how do you guys like my new haircut? Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it short like this. All right, cool. Okay, so there's one important thing that I wanna, I guess, lecture you guys about. So over the long weekend, everybody had 3 days off, and a lot of my friends were enjoying the long weekends, you know, with their friends and family, and they're just out partying and all that good stuff. But what I did was I literally stayed home and I worked on my 3 projects every single day. So, you know, on Friday I did one project, Saturday I did another project, and Sunday I also worked on another project. Entrepreneurship is really hard. Like, waking up on a long weekend, man, and just literally dragging my body, my soul into my computer just so I can work. It really sucks, and the only way to do this is discipline. It was extremely hard, man. Like, a lot of things in my mind was telling me, like, who cares, it's Friday, you got 2 more days, I'm sure you can knock it down. And my God, I did literally whatever I could to just, like, not think like that and literally focus on my business. Now I feel so much better. I feel like there's a big chunk of weight off my shoulder. Happy that I'm on track, and now I have other things to work on. Now I can contribute a lot. Contribute a lot on my YouTube channel. I can focus a lot on my startupzoom.com. I'm very glad that that happened. So yeah, so that's my 2-minute lecture. Okay. I feel so much better, by the way. I lost like a lot of weight. Just that, I feel so much better. I've been very consistent with fitness and dieting. I feel healthy. 100 times, obviously. I don't regret being 31 because, yo man, when I first uploaded this video, I guess I was 190 pounds. Right now I'm probably, yeah, so I think I'm 174, but my body fat percentage is 22 or 23%, so which is awesome, man. Like my stomach is very low. I see definition, especially when I work out. I can do pull-ups now. I can do longer cardio time. Whew. Amazing, guys. This is such a good feeling, man. I remember when I first started working out after a long time, 5 or 6 months ago. Yeah, like definitely 5 months ago. I hated going to the gym every single day. I couldn't even do one pull-up. I couldn't last in the cardio machine for more than 20 minutes. I would still eat junk food and everything just really sucked. Now, when I go work out, I can do a full body workout for an hour and still do additional 30-minute cardio workout. So I just love that. I'm gonna hop on the road right now, so therefore I'm gonna take my camera off because the laws are very strict of having a handheld device and driving. So I'll see you guys in downtown. Do you guys see that? Check that ad out. Movement. Do you want to see something that's cooler than that? Oh yeah. Movement watch. Movement ad. How cool is that? Okay, just got to downtown. As you can see, I don't know, where can you see this? Yeah, as you can see around me, we are here. Patrick is on his way and I am going to pay for parking and meet him at the restaurant. Big time. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna take this camera because I know I won't be allowed in the theater. It's about a few minutes walk to the movie theater as well and the restaurant. So the best bet would be just to leave this camera in here. Yeah. That's right.
Hold on.
Oh wait, where's our tickets? Do you have the tickets?
Get this.
Oh, how can I hold all this? Got it.
I think they're at seats.
Where's the seat
I
number?
think they're on this side.
Oh, by the way, if you guys haven't noticed, Patrick is right here.
Hey.
All right, let's go. Luckily, it's reserved seats. Nothing
Don't
about it.
ruin the movie for you.
I'm not. Of course not.
So we're in M23 and 22.
All right, let's go find it. Oh yeah, put that M&M in. I don't even know. You can't see it. Nope, you can't see it. Yeah, you can't see it. Not all of it. Halfway. There we go.
Do all the rest of it now?
Yeah. This will be good. Okay, so that was it, guys. Avengers, the movie was awesome. Yes, the movie is long, but it did not feel long. There was a scene where a lot of people in the theater was crying. I didn't even realize that until I hear like. So I looked at my business partner Patrick. I was like, "Yo, I think people are crying in this theater right now because of that certain scene." I don't want to give it away. Yeah, man, which kind of made me laugh. I was like, "Yo, this is pretty serious." Anywho, I'm just gonna shut up right now. So the movie is good. Make sure you guys check it out. It's currently 10:36 p.m. I'm just gonna relax for a bit and then I am gonna go home. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Thank you so much for coming this far. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on another video. I do upload my videos every Sunday, but this time I uploaded it before Sunday because I didn't make my due date for the app giveaway. Yeah, man, so be sure to click on the link below and download my giveaway. I've designed it on Adobe XD, so you do need Adobe XD. I'm not sure if you can open it on Photoshop. Anyways, check that out. I hope you guys can use it for your own company, for your own startup. It's easy to apply your own brand guidelines. If you have any questions, comment below or message me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. For those links, social media links will be in the description below as well. God, I gotta end this video. Okay, so if you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So until then, I'll see you guys on another day, most likely Sunday. Yeah, peace out.
You got